In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable AI in Monday.com. We'll walk through this step by step, starting from your main workspace so you can turn on the AI features for your entire account. Make sure you're logged in to Monday.com with an account that has admin permissions, because only admins can access the settings we're about to use. First, look to the top right corner of your Monday.com screen. You'll see your profile icon there. This might be your photo, your initials, or a generic avatar. Go ahead and click on that profile icon. This opens a drop-down menu with several options related to your account and workspace. From that drop-down, find and click on the option labeled Administration. This will take you to the admin section, where you can control settings that affect your whole account, not just your personal profile. It may take a moment to load, especially if you have a large workspace, so just give it a second. Once the administration area has opened, you'll see a menu of different admin categories on the left-hand side. Here, you want to look for the section called Customization. Click on Customization to open up all the options related to how your Monday.com environment looks and behaves. Inside the customization area, you'll see several tabs or subsections. Find the one labeled Features and click on it. This is where Monday.com groups extra capabilities and experimental tools, including AI. If you don't see it right away, scroll down the menu a bit. It's usually near other configuration options. After you click on Features, look for a section called Enable or Disable AI Features. This area controls whether AI is turned on or off for your account. You should see a short description and, next to it, a toggle switch. To enable AI, simply toggle this switch on. When it's on, it usually changes color and moves to the opposite side, indicating that AI features are now active. Once you do this, the AI tools in Monday.com will be available to your team.